Hey, I'm with Gary at Shu Pak Equipment. They refurbish dump trucks and cool stuff like that for the city. And they've got a 5x10 Pro. How long have you had this table?
It's about 9 years now.
9 years.
Yep.
And how's it running for you?
It's been absolutely perfect.
And how many hours a day do you run it? And what kind of plate are you cutting?
8 hours a day, 5 days a week, anywhere from 1/2 inch to 14 gauge.
Amazing. Well, it's good to be here because we haven't seen this table in a long time. We're just going to inspect it for you, but this looks really good condition for being 8, 9 years old, so you're taking good care of it. Let's see where you're cutting. We're going to cut something?
Yeah, we got some 1/4 inch on the table here.
1/4 inch plate?
Yep,
Okay,
yep.
Let's give it a go. And what are we actually cutting? Flanges for something, or?
It's multiple parts for recycling trucks.
Oh, recycling, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And are you cutting that whole sheet right now? You're cutting that whole sheet right now?
Oh, I'll just let it run, yeah.
Okay, right on. Cool. Just let it do its thing, eh?
Oh, for sure.
How much money do you think this thing saved you over the years, just cutting your own parts on demand? Because I remember that was the problem way back.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of savings to be had, right?
Yeah.
Now, if there's a problem with a part, then you can get it right away rather than potentially at times waiting for 2 weeks.
That's right, yeah. Cutting on demand.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So,
And pretty easy to use? The table itself's pretty easy to use?
oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Once you get it down.
Yeah. Good. It actually sounds really good. Well, listen, that's a great video. Gary, thanks for having us in. And
Hey,
we're
no
going to
problem.
we'll keep cutting parts. We're going to hang out with you, but we can
Sure.
shut the video down.
Absolutely.